everyone, Iris here, and holy moly, today we are making grilled guacamole. We're just gonna get started by halving and pitting these avocados carefully. Give it a little slice down the middle like this. Little twist. Look how perfect she is. Onto our onion. We're just gonna cut these into nice thick rings. These are gonna get chopped again after we grill them. It's perfect. Last but not least, we have our jalapeno. Just take the end off. And if you are somebody who really likes spice, you can even try habanero or some serranos. Just right down the middle. Oh yeah, gorgeous. All right, guys, we've got this off the grill. It's very simple from here. We're just going to dice things up and make our guac. Grilling your onion is a really great option if you have any picky eaters in your family who don't like the bite of the raw onion. This brings out all of the natural sweetness. It's gonna be so yummy. Finally, we're gonna mince up our grilled jalapenos. And these are also going to be a lot less spicy than they would be if they were raw. The grilling really calms down some of those flavors, adds a smokiness. It's just a totally different flavor than it would be if it was raw. Look at this perfect juicy lime. Like this. Oh yeah, so juicy. And now for the fun part. We're gonna get mashing. So you can use a potato masher for this. Fork is very reliable. Yummy! Okay, I'd say that is very much ready to plate. I cannot wait to give it a try. All right, everyone, let's get tasting. Look how gorgeous this guacamole is. It's gonna be such a crowd pleaser. I cannot wait. We just have some blue corn tortilla chips. Ooh. So good. This is such an awesome take on guacamole. All of the flavors are so mild and delicious. We have the buttery avocado, the sweetness of the grilled onion. That lime comes through immediately and really prepares the palate for all the other rich flavors. Jalapeno comes through just a little bit, just a little bite. Not too spicy at all. Kids will love this. Adults will definitely love this. Every element in this really simple grilled guacamole is fantastic. Even the black pepper with a little bit of a bite. It's so good. Thanks so much for watching. This was grilled guacamole and this was Bussin Eats.